Happy 78th birthday, Mami Mary. Oh, mag-breakfast muna kayo dyan kasi pagkatapos magsimba at mamasyal. Happy birthday to you.
Okay lang na eh. Tulo lang ang putang. Breakfast, mother dear. Happy birthday, mother dear.
Happy birthday, bread.
It's our breakfast. Breakfast for today.
Bilisan nyo naman kumain dyan dahil ang usapan 9 AM. Late na naman kayo.
Happy birthday, my dear mother dear. Tubig na. Tubig sa breakfast.
A few moments later.
He said, but according to the standards of the world, that's what he means by according to the flesh. According to the standards of the world, not God's standard, the world standard. According to the standards of the world, yeah, you guys are maybe not so smart in the eyes of people, not many mighty, not many powerful, not many noble, right? Again, in the standards of the world. And then he said, but God has chosen the foolish things of the world to shame the wise, and God mighty, not many powerful, not many noble, right? Again, in the standards of the world. Spiritual blindness is being blind and not even knowing you're blind. In the case of Bartimaeus, he knew he was blind, and so he cried out. But there are many people in this world, even in this city, maybe some even in this room, who are blind spiritually, who don't even know they need Jesus desperately. So you and I need to have beautiful feet. Now, just like last week, look at the feet of the person. Just as it is written, how beautiful are the feet of those who bring good news. What is the connection between this and the story we are in?
Left wing hallway after the service.
Happy birthday.
Also, if you are not yet
Daddy.
part of a D group and would like to join one, simply scan the QR code shown on the screen.
He's a professional basketball player, and he introduced me to a friend of his, also a pro basketball player. If I told you the name, I think some of you would recognize him.
Bye bye. Peace bang. Bang. Kahit na dala eh, ni Kuya. So we have here.
Bang.
1 picture. 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 1 picture
Gis lang eh. Gis. Braso kayo. Gis lang.
Bigyan na mo 15. Ano, pili-balik yan niya.
Kanipin naman eh. Ah?
Ikaw dyan, lubag pa. I-arrange ko nyo eh. I-arrange ko nyo. Igo boy. Ikaw na putok ba, Igo boy? Bos mami, ada kang guard ba? Hi! Pwede man ako. Picture. Ikot, may nanakay. Oh, sinigang. Katul me. Katul. Sobra ikisa me kay mga yato gisa. Ay, mapalit ko. Di mga yun. Kanara, iyora, apil kanara ko. Sama tayong dalawa. Yan. Yan ay bundok pero waiting. Hagbi, Yambi. Uy.